guys, today I am going to create a camera following script. I just created a simple player movement with the camera not following with the character, so let's do that. For that I am going to create a script for camera.
For that I am going to create a script for camera. In the script I am going to get transform access to get position of hero. If we get the position of hero, then we can move the camera to the hero. For that, I am going to write line transform.position equals player.position. This function move the camera to the hero for every frame. But the problem is the camera goes into the hero because we wrote in that camera position equals hero position, so if that's why the camera comes into the hero, we can solve it by adding new vector 3, so just follow me. For vector 3 I am going to put 0, 1, -4. I think this will work properly for you. If you don't like it, just try to change values. Now our camera working properly. Okay, bye guys, let's see in next video.